Just turned the planer off here, and here's some 85 by 19 standard grade flooring. It's a bit of a mixed grade, this one. Bit of heart, bit of sapwood, pretty good a mix. There's a lot of floors around like this. If you want to match it in, you can always send us a photo and we can match the width and the grade for you. So here's a packet here. The lengths are good, up to sort of 5 meters, out of recycled Remu, of course. And yeah, just give us a call if you're having trouble identifying your floor. You can send us through a photo. And if you want to try to match something in, perhaps a wider board or different species, matai, tawa, Cody, even do a bit of tortoise sometimes. So yeah, give us a call. This stuff here is for sale, $14 plus GST a metre. Give us a call if you need some.